what you all are doing. Today I was just getting bored at home. तो सोच रही थी एक लिप शेड की सीरीज बनाऊंगी. पास कुछ न्यूड शेड्स हैं लिपस्टिक में which I love nude shades. So I am going to share with you my nude lipstick collection here, and you let me know which shade you like the best. Okay, so to begin with, I'm picking up Lakme 925 two shades. These two are my favorite. So I am taking here Cocoa Soft, and the other one I have here is Nude Cushion. You see, it's like the perfect tint of pink and the nude. Then moving on to next, we have Lakme 925 in shade Cocoa Soft. This is again a matte mousse. It's very good again. I love it. So the other shade is from Nykaa. It's a Madras Kappi 05. It's again a very pretty nude. मैंने ये कुछ टाइम पहले ही ऑर्डर किया था and I'm in love with it already. इसका टेक्सचर बहुत लिक्विडी है. when you put it, it's like ऐसा लगता है बहुत स्लिपरी है. But like just give it 2 to 3 minutes, let it dry. और ये आपको लिप्स पे फील भी नहीं होगा. It's like it's not there but you can see it. It's like you know, it feels like you're wearing something on your lips but it's like very natural. बहुत ऐसे overdue सा नहीं है. It's very light and now I can't even feel this on my lips. It's so soft and so natural. And the next we have here is from Faye Beauty in the shade Safe Word. I think this brand Faye Beauty has really cracked the code for the nude lipsticks. Good job, Faye Beauty. It's like this shade, I bought it like for what, 2 years back, 1.5 year back something. तब से I'm just addicted with this shade. मैं मतलब कभी भी देता मुझे ये शेड वेयर करने के लिए, I will be like ऑफिस जाना है, फ्रेंड्स के साथ जाना है, ब्रंचेस, डिनर, वॉट एवर, पार्टी, इट विल गो विथ यू एवरीवेयर. Just look at it. Just look at it. It's like, oh my god, it's so amazing. Faye Beauty, good job. And then we have next in line Kiro. They also have very pretty nude shades. This one I have here is Cinnamon Nude. Let's try it out. ये भी मैंने इतना यूज़ किया है कि ये ख़त्म हो चुका है. दिस इज़ जस्ट थोड़ा सा जो बचा हुआ है. See how perfectly it mixes with your skin tone. इसको आप दिन भर लगा लो, पता भी नहीं चलेगा. And it feels so natural. And it smells so good and tastes so good actually, because they have apricot oil and avocado oil in this, as it's mentioned over here. But trust me, this shade is like, you have to have it, girl. Then we have another shade from Kiro. It's Nude Garnet 06. This is little bit of brown with a pink shade. and it gives you that smooth velvety finish touch. Like your lips will not feel dryish or chappy or like that. It's like you can see that softness, that smoothness, that velvetiness is there, and it's very, very pretty. Again, a good catch. And now it's time for my most favorite, saving the best for the last. This is L'Oreal Paris in the shade Explore 116. This is like just melt on my lips. Bro, you will not even find out that I'm wearing it. Let me show you. And you know the best part is this applicator. You see this shape, angular shape. It gives you the perfect, support in giving this V-shape angle on your upper lip. It's like you can give a proper shape to your lip. It's perfect. And I will link all the shades in the description below. Do let me know which one is your favorite. And see you soon.